Okay, so we have foiled nicely. We're going to keep everything on the outside the same. We're just not going to use that -2 just yet. Next, we need to simplify the inside. So we will say minus 5x minus 3x. That gives us 5, 6, 7, 8, so -8x. With that -2 out front. Now that we've simplified inside the parentheses, we're going to distribute the -2 to every item inside the parentheses. So now we have -2x squared. -2 times -8 is +16, and -2 times 15 is -30. So then we can write our equation over here. All right, any questions about that? So all we needed to do to find the standard form, it even has a hint here, use intercept form to convert to standard. So we're going to take that intercept form, FOIL out the two parentheses, simplify those parentheses, and then distribute the coefficient if you have one. All right, and we're going to do this one more time. If you're ready, I want you to go ahead and get started on the next problem. I'm not going to speak during this next problem. I will start coming up with the answer. So when you're ready, look up and check your answer, okay? The next problem is exactly the same as what we just did, okay? So just try it on your own. If you don't feel comfortable trying it on your own, you're welcome to follow along. I'm just going to be quiet for this one, okay? All right, coming back to the final problem, we identified the vertex at -5, -4. That is our h and k. In order to find a, look, zoom in a little bit with your eyes. And we know we moved up 1, so that's our rise, +1, and we moved over 1, +1. So 1 over 1 squared ends up being just 1. So plugging that hk into our vertex form, remember insiders lie. So if this was negative here, it's got to be positive inside the parentheses on the equation. So we have y equals x plus 5 squared minus 4. In order to find our intercept form, we looked at the two intercepts at -7 and -3. They are both placed inside parentheses and insiders lie, or x lies, however you like to think about it. So they were negative on the graph, so they're going to be positive in the equation. Our a value was still 1. For the standard form, we took our intercept form and FOILed it out. We said x times x is x squared. 7 times x is 7x. 3 times x is 3x, and then we said 7 times x and 7 times 3. We ended up simplifying that to be x squared plus 10x plus 21, and that is your standard form. Are there any questions? All right.